I received this for free. How's it going? This is the H3C 3-in-1 coffee machine from HIBREW. This thing is awesome, and it has outright replaced my old, trusty, full-on espresso machine. The convenience and versatility of being able to use both your own grounds but also single-serve coffee pods is, that's all I really want. I mostly drink iced coffee, so missing out on the milk steamer isn't that big of a deal to me. So this thing has a lot going for it. The controls are super simple. On the top, you have a little control wheel, your brew button, and then a toggle to switch between increasing or decreasing your temperature and the amount of water dispensed. Out of the box, both of these settings were set in the middle. And of course, this is all going to really just depend on the way you prefer to brew your coffee, whether it's hot, whether it's iced, and also, of course, the type of grounds that you're using. It's super easy to just adjust on the fly if you need to, but I prefer to pretty much just set it and forget it. So this is a 3-in-1 machine that is mainly designed to be an alternative to higher-end Nespresso machines. It's compatible with the single-shot Nespresso pods and the Dulce Gusto pods as well. And I do want to specify Dulce Gusto pods, not the double-shot pods you can get from like Starbucks. These explode, these do not. These explode, these do not. I know because I tried. That is user error. You get 3 different capsule trays that are super easy to just hot swap out. They magnetically lock into the machine. All you have to do is just press brew. The machine does its thing. For Nespresso pods, these are essentially single-shot capsules. I think that the out-of-box configuration for heat and flow rate are a little bit off. So for me, I kind of prefer to just crank the heat all the way up and set the water setting to the 3rd notch. For the Dulce Gusto pods, however, I kind of prefer to turn the flow rate up a little bit to 4 or 5. That nets me about 110 or 140 milliliters, which that's a decent little cup of coffee. For the manual grounds tray, I tried a variety of different grind strengths. This thing was able to handle it all. I put basically a drip coffee grind through it, pulled it just fine, and I tried out some finely ground blonde espresso in this, and it pulled a double shot like a champ. Cleaning is super simple. You have a removable drip tray at the bottom. You can just pull it off, wash it in the sink, put it right back, super quick. The water reservoir holds 48 ounces of water. I typically will go through 1 tank every 3 days. Build quality is very respectable for what it is. It's all plastic, but none of it feels cheap. They did a good job of balancing a low barrier to entry in terms of cost while still making something that looks and feels premium. It comes in a black and a white variety. I really love the white variety. I think it's cool. Nice and compact. You can fit this into any setup, whether it's in your kitchen or in an office, whatever. So yeah, this thing's awesome. HIBREW makes really good stuff. They're super underrated. I have one of their grinders, an espresso machine, and now this. So I like their stuff. It's good. Definitely worth checking out.